guess Santa knew you wanted one, so he brought you one.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Keep opening, there's a lot more presents.
That one is from Mama and Papa and Liam. That's from us. That's not from Santa.
What is it?
You gotta open it.
I can open it?
Of course, it's Christmas.
Oh my god. Iron. Oh my god. It's for all my items and oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's it? You're all done?
Can I open more presents? What is this for? What's this for?
I don't know. Does it say Z for Zachary?
No.
Come closer. Yeah, that's Z. Z-A-C-H-A-R-Y. Zachary. That's a Z. Kind of looks like a number 2, right?
Yeah. Maybe because Santa and the girl Santa bought me this. So it said to Zachary.
What is it?
Oh my god, the green lantern. Oh my god! Santa bought me this with the ring because I love mine.
Yeah.
Because I told you that and I looked everywhere in this house.
You gonna open more presents?